Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. I hope you're having a hope you had a fantastic weekend, and I hope you're having a great day today. Okay. Monday, start of the new week. Today is May the 19th of 2025. We have made it to day number 40 of this Mileage and Secret Challenge. And if you guys have not been following these videos, please go back, okay, and watch these videos from day one so you can kind of get up to speed on what we're doing. All right. Now, if you're kind of new to this video, you have no idea what we're doing. We are promoting a service called Mileage and Secret System, and we're using a offer from Clickbank, which is a network marketing platform that you can go grab offers from. We're going to put those two together. We're going to send an offer from Clickbank, and we're going to use the Mileage and Secret System. We're going to put those together, and we're going to somehow see if we can earn a full-time income doing that. All right, guys. So I'm just going to show you guys real quick how to send out an email in the Mileage and Secret System, and then how to sign up for Clickbank, use an offer from Clickbank, and send that offer over to the Mileage and Secret System. It's very easy to do, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. All right. So we're on day number 40. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's get to it. All right. So right here, guys, this is the Mileage and Secret System. This system, guys, if you don't know what Mileage and Secret is, it's an email service that provides 100 to 200 e-business, e-marketing leads every single day. Okay. So every day that you come into your back office, you're going to see a brand new 100 or 200 business opportunity leads every single day. Okay. Now, what that means is that these people are hungry. Okay. They're looking for ways to earn income online. All right. And it's our job as affiliate marketers is to go out and grab offers that are related to making money online. We send those offers out. Okay. And then those people are, possibly sign up or subscribe to our offer, and then eventually, start purchasing, from us. Okay, and that's just the whole end result is to send the traffic out to this, send a email out to this traffic, and them get learn to trust us. Okay, and then purchase from us in the future. All right. And now, just real quick with this traffic, this is cold traffic, oh guys. This is not hot traffic, okay? These people have to get warmed up to what you're doing, okay? They got to get familiar with what you're doing, okay? So this is why we come in and we send out emails every day, so that way they can get warmed up to us. And then when they get warmed up to us, they start seeing our emails over and over and over and over again, okay? They start to trust us, and then they start to let their guard down, okay? And then they start purchasing from us, okay? It's very awesome, okay? And it's very easy to do. Okay. So this is your back office. This is what it would look like if you were to get started today. Okay. Now, just a little bit about myself. I mean, I've been with Mileage and Secret over a few years now, guys. I totally love the service. Okay. I've promoted tons of different offers to this traffic, and I can tell you that it does work. Okay. And the traffic does convert. Okay. But you have to send out emails every single day. Okay. There's not any program that I've sent out one email, okay, and then I've made thousands of dollars. It just doesn't work that way, guys. I had to, send emails out every single day and get people familiar with one offer. And then eventually, as the prospects, look at our offer, they get warmed up to us, and then they started to purchase from us. Okay. So just remember that, guys. This is something that you have to stick with, and something that you got to send out emails every day with. Okay. So this is the Mileage and back office. This is what it would look like if you were to get started. Your back office is going to look exactly like this. The only thing different is going to be the emails that you are sending out. Now, if you guys want to get started with the program, go here underneath this description of this video and click on this link right here. Okay. Join Mileage and Secret. Go ahead and join it here. Okay. Let me know that you've joined. Okay. And I'll go ahead and send you out some special emails that are highly converting emails. Okay. And if you guys want to get started, I would recommend getting started today. Okay. Don't waste any more time. And let's go ahead and send out emails every single day. Okay. So this is the back office. This is what it will look like. This is the My Leads. That today is May the 19th. Okay. This is May the 20th. It's East Coast time here. But still, I'm on Midwest, so it's still the 19th. We got a fresh 100 leads every today, okay, that we have not sent out an email to. I sent out my email a little while ago to this fresh 100 people, and then also everyone else underneath this this list here, okay, that we got from today. All right. So right here is the master email swipes. Okay. These are additional emails that you can purchase with the program. Now, for the sake of this video, okay, we're just going to use the free email swipes from the vendor. Okay. We're not going to go out and purchase these. Okay. We're going to use the free email swipes. Now, if you got the extra income to do that, I would recommend going out and purchase these emails. It's only $30. Okay. These are highly converting emails. Okay. That if you use, okay, you can get, results from, right? This is where we're going to hang out at in the mailing system, okay? So right here is the mailing system. This is where we would hang out at. This is where we're going to send all our emails out. So let's go down here. We want to select all the emails. It's going to load them into the portal. Okay, now this email that we're going to send out is going to go to out is going to go to 52,000 people, over 52,000 people, 700. Okay. So one email is going to go out to all these people, and they're going to see our email, and then they're going to make their decision. Okay. So we're going to promote a offer from Clickbank called Social Live Chat Jobs, which is ran by Social Sales Rep. Okay, which is this offer right here. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to use the free email swipes from that vendor. So let's go ahead and click on the email swipes. Okay, these are free to get started. Now, as you can see, we got 20 emails right here. Look at this, email 1 all the way to 20. So what we're going to do is we're going to come in here and we're going to send out all of these emails. And then when we get to email 20, we're just going to start back at email 1. Now, if you guys want to, just to change it up and make things a little bit different, is we're going to, if you go back to email 1 after you send out all 20, you can take this email and then paste it into the chat GPT and let AI create you a high converting email similar to this. Okay. Which is pretty awesome, guys. This is what I'm doing right now, guys. Okay. So you want to take these emails, use these emails first, and then when you get to 20, come back here, and then you're going to use this same email post here, and you want to put that in the chat GPT, and you want to have chat GPT write you a high converting email based on this email right here. Okay, I just gave you guys a gold nugget to go out and do. All right, so let's go ahead and go down here. Okay, but for the sake of this video, we're just going to use the email swipes that are already pre-written for us. All right, so let's go ahead and go here to email 18. Let's go ahead and take the subject line, Control C. We're going to come back over here to the My Legion secret system. Want to Control V. Okay, and that's going to paste that into the subject line, and then let's go ahead and click on perfect timing, and then we want to take the body out. Let's go ahead and take that out. Let's go ahead and grab the body from the email. And then we want to come down here. We want to grab the high name, grab all of that, guys. Come down here, Control C. Come back over here to the My Legion Secret System, Control V. Take out signature and put in either your name or management, whichever one you want, okay? So you just want to come here and you want to come back up where it says high name. You want to put in your name, okay? Your affiliate. We want to put in this embedded code right here, guys. This code is going to address our prospect by their first name, okay? So that's very important that we put that right there. So when we address our prospect by their first name, it's going to say this email is going to say like, hi Jermaine, hi Jaden, hi, whatever your name is, okay? And then right here where it says click here, you're going to want to click on that bold text, and then you're going to want to come up here. You want to go down here to where it says the link tab right here, this little link, chain link. Click on that. All right. And then you want to grab this hop link. Okay. Now, this hop link is the link that goes with this email. Okay. So you're going to want to paste this link in right here. And what you're going to want to do is where it says your Clickbank affiliate ID, take this out and put in your name, okay? Your affiliate ID, whether that be, whatever you come up with. Do not put my name in there, okay, guys, because I'm going to get the commission for it. So put in your affiliate ID, okay? You want to come down here, click on the link, and then Control V, all right? You want to come down here and take out this affiliate ID, and you put in yours, okay, not mine. All right, click on OK. Boom. And you want to come down here, Control A. You want to copy it, all of it. And we want to either use 16 or 18 on the size to make it bigger. And this is making it bigger for our prospect. So that way it's easier to read for them. Okay. So when they're reading this email, It's tailored to them. Hi, such and such, can I, whatever your name is, it's going to address them by their first name, okay? And it's going to give them a clickable link to click on, okay? So we're going to click on that link, okay? And then it's going to take them to your affiliate page. You come down here, there's another clickable link, all right? So at the bottom, there's going to be preview and send now. You're going to click on preview to test your links. Test those links before you send them out. Don't just send them out. Test them first, okay, guys? And then after you test them to make sure they work and they go to your affiliate page, click on send now. Boom. That's it. Okay. That's how you send out, that's how easy it is to send out an email in the My Lead Gen Secret system, guys. It's very easy to do. And let's go ahead and get started at the link below this video, guys. Don't wait anymore. Don't waste any more of your time. If you're looking for extra income, guys, to make, if you need to earn extra income to maybe pay your, water bill or your electric bill or maybe your gas bill, you need money for your rent. Okay. You need money for your car payment. Maybe you just purchased a vehicle and you need to make extra income to pay your car note. Okay. This is the type of income that you can use to help pay those extra bills. Okay. Now, if you want to take this thing to the next level and you want to get multiple accounts, okay, you can get multiple accounts and turn this thing into a full-time income. Okay. And start making anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000, 3,000 to $5,000 a month. Okay. Doing this. All right. And I'm going to show you guys how to do that right in front of your eyes today, okay, if you stick with me. So this is how you send out an email in the My Lead Gen Secret system. It's very easy to do, and I just showed you guys how to do it. Let's go over here. We sent out an email last night. We sent out an email last night, guys. Let me just get this link up here. We sent out an email last night. Let's go and go to the reporting tab. Okay, today is May the 19th. We did get, let's see here, social sales rep 808 hops, 550 unique hops. These are brand new people that came to our website. Okay, we got 3 order form impressions and 3 unique order form impressions. These are people that came to the checkout page. They decided to buy for whatever reason or they didn't buy for whatever reason. Okay, now, unfortunately, we didn't get any sales today. We didn't get any free trial sales. Okay. So if you guys go back and watch last night's video, we earned a commission from a free trial and also we got a rebill. Okay. So from last night, but today, we didn't get anything. Okay. So this is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for initial sales every day, which is our free trials. And then 3 days later, what's going to happen is that they're going to get billed for the program and then we're going to earn a $20 commission. Okay. Now, all we have to do is get them to pay the $20 one time. And then that $20 every single month, they're going to get billed for it over and over and over and over again until they decide to quit working. Okay. But most people that are making money with this, they're going to keep working and they're going to keep getting billed and we're going to keep earning the income. Okay. So today we didn't get an initial sale. We didn't get any free trial sales. Okay. Because we are, we are still looking for an initial sale. Okay. So tomorrow I'm going to shoot this video again tomorrow at the same time, same place. I'm looking for these initial sales. Okay. This is all good. And then the first 30 days, since we're on day number 40, we sent out the first 30 days of this program. So all those people that we got from 30 days, they're going to come back again and they're going to get billed for it the next set of 30 days. So you're going to start seeing more rebills. Okay. And then all the new sales that we got coming in, those are going to come in and we're going to get commissions from those as well. So become, month 4, 5, 6, okay, you're going to start seeing those those sales stack on top of each other. Okay, so we're going to have $20 days, we're going to have $40 days, we're going to have $60 days, and we're going to have $100 days. All right, so I'm going to show you guys in real time, right? But today we're on day number 40. Okay. And I just wanted to show you guys how to send out an email in the system and then also how to the traffic, the results from the email that we sent out last night. All right. So as you can see, I just went over that with you. We didn't get anything today, but no biggie, guys, because I've already sent out an email tonight and we're going to check the results tomorrow. I'm going to meet you guys back here at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.